Okay, I have really exciting news. We bought a van. Hey, I'm Selena.
I'm Kamau.
And this is the City and Beyond. As you can see, we are getting ready to go on a trip. And we had a couple of things that we had to take care of before we went.
So if you've been following along on our channel, then you know that we recently took a trip to Pennsylvania. That's not out of the realm of our usual drives, it's about the same amount. So we're gonna go somewhere a bit further. It's gonna be quite a long haul of a drive for us.
So we thought we would share 5 things that you should do before going on your road trip. And some of them are probably pretty obvious, but I think that it's always good to have a little refresher, right?
Absolutely.
So here we go.
The most important thing you're gonna need on your road trip is going to be your driver's license. Unfortunately for me, the motor vehicle department has been closed during this entire pandemic and my license expired. Some of the states around us have been kind of lenient when we've had to dip in and out for work or otherwise, and they're like, oh, your license is expired. My reaction is typically, yeah. But I don't know how it's going to work when we go other places. So what I did was I did a little research and I found out that if you renew your license online, this is only in New Jersey, I'm not speaking for any other state, they will send you this handy-dandy little form saying that your license is renewed, you just have not gotten it yet. You don't need to see the bottom, but with my info. But this is actually the barcode that's on the back of your driver's license. I'll put my finger over it in case someone tries to do like QR scan it, right? So I'm gonna be carrying this around with me. I'm gonna keep one in the car and I'm gonna keep one in my wallet in case something goes off. And I'm also going to be taking my passport card with me as another form of identification in case I want to go to the liquor store or something. And also keep my expired driver's license with me to show that I did have a driver's license and it's not some BS form that I printed out. So just something that you have to do to be prepared for your trip. Buying snacks for your road trip. We got to get stuff to make lunch, stuff that we can carry with us for breakfast. Some snacks in between, some
Drinks,
beverages, yeah.
Not drinks.
Not.
So we're gonna head inside right now. Another thing you need on your road trips is good music.
Some things I can't get used to, no matter how I try. It's like
Okay, I have really exciting news. We bought a van and we're going to travel across to America and visit state to state because, you know, we don't know it that well, even though we've traveled the world, and we just wanted to let you guys know because I'm really excited. I'm really excited for #VanLife.
So the next point is maintenance. Make sure your car is maintained. Have your brakes checked, have the engine checked, do your oil change, rotate the tires, check the air pressure, and make sure it's roadworthy.
And it has gas.
And another thing is a good night's rest.
We're about to go to bed and it's about, I can't even see it's like 11 o'clock and we are trying to get a full 7 hours of sleep, or 8 hours of sleep before we get on the road, so this guy can be at his best driving because it's 10 hours from here to North Carolina. So next time we'll see you, we'll be on the road. Good night.
Good night. So, last thing, not actually essential on the list, but we got mani-pedis because self-care is essential to us.
And I got an eyebrow wax.
Oh.
Your girl got an eyebrow wax after 3 months, okay?
We made sure to tip the essential workers very well because they are doing a service for us, and I'm sure they can use it because these are all trying times. And we got a little more, so we got to get a little more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so now we are getting ready to go on the road. We are driving from New Jersey to North Carolina, and we should be there tonight, but stay tuned for our next video because we don't know how this is gonna go, so
yeah,
we'll see.
Follow us on Instagram to get live updates.
Always.
Yes.
And remember to subscribe, like us because you like us, and comment below what are some of the things that you do before a road trip, a really long road trip anyway.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.